Let's get him behind this guy. He's riding good. Get a clip of him hitting his jump. Looks good, bro. He's on a 125. Nice jump, buddy. Looking good, bro. I think he's on the new fuel injected guy. Drifting, we're both drifting, buddy. I feel you. Trying to put some pressure on him. He looks like he's on that newer, like, fuel injected model, KTM 125. I guess technically it's a Husqvarna. Go for it, bro. Ripping. I love seeing people hit jumps. Oh, little endo. You see, is he clearing this guy? What's he doing? Hell yeah. Good for you, bro. Oh, well, let's tuck my front. Dude, he ripped through there. Hell yeah. Woo. And he's making that corner too. Hell yeah. He's like over jumping that. It's still making the corner. Nice little slide, bro. Just two strokes ripping together. Can't beat it. Oh, it's slick. You're just getting shot with mine. Sending it to flat, my guy. I know that hurt your arms. Yeah, buddy. Love to see it. Oh, I got hit with a rock. He's sending a bunch of them to flat. Yeah, buddy. You got it. Hard on the throttle. Just try not to tuck my front here. Oh, I almost tucked it as soon as I said that. What's up, bro? Good. It's out of gas. Yo, good riding with you, bro. Thank you. That was awesome. You were ripping right here. Yeah, you were ripping, dude. I was overdone some of the jumps. Yeah, I saw that. Did you hear me yelling? Yeah, I heard you. I was hoping that I wasn't pushing you too hard, but it was. No, it's fun. Cool. I was like trying to ride right behind you. Got my GoPro on. I'm like, yeah. What's your name? I'm Derek. Derek Aiden. Aiden, nice to meet you, dude. Steve, Derek. Nice to meet you, man. Right before he went out riding with you, I'm like, man, you should probably check your gas. Yeah. So, oh, I got plenty. Like, all right. I thought I saw some in there. So you reminded him, so he's got to push it back, right? That's right. I already told him.
I'm riding back.
Hey guys, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Ah, that rooster. He's really trusting these dry corners, man. So many rocks in the loose. It's freaking eating it. I know it might sound silly, but just that little lack of vision with the dust makes me ride so much more timid through all the corners because I can't see exactly what I'm going to be hitting. Woo! With my front wheel. Yeah, buddy, drifting. I told Patrick to go inside. Let's see if he's going inside. Here he is. And he's standing up into it. Come on, Pat. Give me a break. We need to wipe the camera. Dude's making me work for it to keep up everywhere. Oh, a little bit outside. Dude, I'm giving the 150 all she's got to keep up with him. No straightaways. The straightaways, that KS250F just rips. Well, it was a little gooner sketchy. I'm barely holding on to the bars at this point.